Hey, what's going on, everyone? We got some things to talk about today for Mara because the market currently is going down. And do you think it's going to break resistance even after this massive drop in Mara? Because we didn't even do a price prediction on our last video because we were like, look, yeah, it was a very good run. You know, the market in Mara finally touched the price level that it hasn't since July of this year. And after the market did hit that pocket, look what happened to the price. In less than 3 days, or about 3 days or so, the market from the high of November 13th to the low of yesterday is down 32.5%. Okay, so like 4 days. And the crazy part, we're getting that sell signal right now. Okay, so currently, the market is bearish. It's weak. It is what it is. Those people who bought Mara were buyers. They went and ran price up to 26. They became sellers. What can I do? What can I say? What can you do? They want to sell. Let them sell. As long as we're able to determine where they think price is headed next. Because the buyers in Mara didn't show up here in this buyer's pocket. They didn't show up at this buyer's pocket. And they definitely didn't show this buyer's pocket. So this is not a market that you're looking for price to go up. I know many of you don't want to hear that, but it is what it is. When you look at the chart for what it is, you become, numb to the price action. Now is the time for the price to bounce. Mara on the 2. Mara on the 3. Here it is on the 4. 8 hours, 48 minutes left. You tell me. You looking for price to go up? Because the chart is not telling us that. It's like, look, all those people, all of you who think price in Mara is bullish, hold this real quick. That's what they're telling those people. Because this stock is weak. 10 days left for the month of November, and we're seeing the price close on the low. Here it is on 330-minute chart. Now, I think the market, even though it is weak, is going to try to find an area to nest and rest right around here. So we don't have that far to fall, right? We already got these 2 buyer's pockets down here. This may be a buyer's pocket right now. So I'm going to create this one. Okay. Since I just created that 1 buyer's pocket, let me show you the sellers. Let me show you where these sellers are at in Mara. Now, real quick, I'm looking for price to go down. Okay, I am. But we may not see price go that low. Alright, so chill out, relax. It ain't that deep. Price is going to go up. Price is going to go down. That is the function of the market. Our first target is going to be at the low of this buyer's pocket, which is only 5%, $17.11, right around that area. Our next target will be around $15.35 to the second buyer's pocket, 18.85% there. Okay, that's it. Now, I'm going to keep this trend line here just as a reference that I can say, look, there is a potential that price can bounce now, right now. It could bounce and it could go higher and it could go against my idea that price in Mara is going to go lower. I can see that. I understand it. I know the risk of what this forecast is bringing. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with it. But given the different time frames that I've seen, I think there's a greater probability that price is not going to hold that trend line. It's all a game of probabilities. We'll see what happens though. Because ultimately, people's things, situations change, right? People's situations, circumstances change. So maybe somebody hit the lottery. And they're like, man, if I could just give me a scratcher, or if I can hit the lottery, I'll go out and buy me a guap of this Mara stock. That person might buy the stock today. And if they do, it's going to push the stock up. I get it. I can't predict that though. You understand what I'm saying? I can't see that. But those situations are out of reach of our analysis and will forever be. But considering what has already been laid down off on this chart, I think price is still a little weak. So that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know where you think the market in Mara is about to go. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.